In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram you've reached your daily limit problem. First, launch open the Instagram app. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, tap on the three-line menu. This will open Settings and Activity. Here, you want to look for Your Activity option. You will find this under How You Use Instagram section. From here, scroll down and find the option of Time Management. Select that. Here, look for the option of Daily Limit. Tap on it. If you have set Daily Limit over here, then Instagram will remind you to close Instagram when you spend that amount of time in a day. If you want to turn that off, go ahead and tap on the Off option. After that, head back. Next, tap on the Sleep Mode option. If Sleep Mode is enabled, you also want to disable this. Go ahead and turn that off. Now head back. Once both settings are disabled, Instagram will no longer remind you about the daily limit or activate sleep mode based on those settings. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.